How to check spam folder on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. The Mail app offers features like adding multiple email accounts, composing, sending, and scheduling emails, and organizing emails into categories. Once you're here, go to the top left corner and go to Mailboxes. Go to the iCloud section and tap on Junk. You can view all your junk mails over here. After that, go back and open up the Gmail application. Once you're here, go to the top left corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Scroll down and go to Spam. You can view all your spam mails over here. Following these steps, you can easily check spam folder on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.